Welcome to a one-eater training video. Today we will be exploring Heimdal's threat prevention. Heimdal's threat prevention blocks viruses and malware before they infect your computer. It closes all security holes found in your system and apps. It is 100% compatible with any security product. It means you can run it together with other antivirus solution in your PC. The first screen of Heimdal's home is divided into two sections, and the first one being displayed is Threat Prevention Endpoint. This product embeds everything a system needs to prevent an infection before it happens. It filters malicious traffic, updates third-party apps, thus minimizing exploitation risks, and it identifies the applications that may have been compromised by attackers. The protection is proactive and reliable. Here you can have an overview of the numbers of prevented attacks by the Dark Layer Guard module, and targeted processes, the probability of infection, and numbers of software updated with exploit resilience. You can initiate Thor scans by clicking on the buttons, that is green if everything is fine. These buttons will become orange if there are any vulnerabilities found. Dark Layer Guard is a two-way traffic scanning engine that blocks network communication to mitigate zero-days exploits, ransomware, data leakage, and next-generation attacks listed in Heimdal's database. It proactively detects and blocks incoming attack before it compromises your system. This overview displays a list of infected or potentially dangerous websites that Thor has blocked to protect your system. You can see the web address that has been blocked and the date when it was blocked. You can also whitelist a domain by clicking the unblock button next to the domain. We do not recommend you do that. Threat to Process Correlation, or TTPC, offers an insight into the processes that initiated communication requests that were blocked by Thor as they were malicious. Vector and detection features work hand in hand with the Dark Layer Guard feature. Its purpose is to search and detect for patterns in the number of blocks that Dark Layer Guard records. If a domain is blocked multiple times in a very short period of time, Vector and detection feature will recognize this behavior as a pattern, which means that there is an automatic request sent from the machine to the compromised domain that Thor blocked. If a domain is blocked at a specific time in the course of X number of days, it will also be considered a pattern. In both cases, Thor will generate a pop-up window above the notification area, above the time and date in the taskbar, that will inform the user that a pattern was found behind the blocks. This indicates that the computer might be infected, and a scan with the next-gen antivirus is required. Exploit Resilience is designed to monitor and update the programs you already have installed on your computer and are found in the list of engines. It displays the number of monitored software and if there are any outdated and vulnerable apps that need to be upgraded. As you can see in the image, there are 5 columns. Software name. This displays the name of the program that you can update. Version. This shows the current version you have installed. Status. This shows the status of the installation. Monitor. If this option is selected for one of the programs, Thor will start monitoring the software chosen. Every time a new version of that software appears, you will be notified that it requires updating. This option is only to be notified in case a new version is available. It will not update the program. Auto Update. Once this option is selected, it will automatically update the software checked to the new version, if available. That's all. If you need more information on Heimdal's threat prevention, kindly reach to your channel management team.